Okay, good morning. It is Monday and I've already started cleaning out the dishes and stuff. This was the medicine cabinet. I pretty much thrown away all the medicine out of here that either like I don't use anymore, that's expired, and the glasses and stuff that I'm gonna take with me to my mom's house because we already have enough dishes there, but some I just felt like there was no use in bringing, so I'm gonna drop those off at Goodwill. And of course I'm gonna keep my new mugs. This is glass, I'm gonna keep those. I have some mugs that are kind of like sentimental to me, so I'm not gonna throw those away. This is basically the only thing I'm gonna take with me to my mom's. And then everything else I'm giving away to Goodwill. So, and I've already cleaned out like the spices, the oils, sugars, vinegars, and all that type of stuff out the pantry and the cabinet. So yeah, I mean, I'm making some pretty good time since I'm trying to hurry up, but it just sucks that I don't have anybody here to help me, so it's literally just me and Marlon. Stuff is everywhere because I've been cleaning. I actually tackled under the cabinet, the kitchen cabinet, which was like the worst. I hate being under here, but I pretty much got that taken care of. I think most of that is trash. I'm gonna take the gloves with me in that change drawer, but that's pretty much done too. So I'm happy about my progress. I think I've been doing pretty good. Okay, so I'm making progress. This might not look like it, but I really am. I have piles of things that need to be thrown out, some things that need to go into envelopes to be filed. These two piles are keep piles. My clothes and stuff are about to get packed, and I just washed these scarves so that they can be dry. So now I'm just in the car on my way to turn off like my water and power and just trying to get things ready for the move. I know you won't believe me, but this is actually looking a whole lot better. We had stuff everywhere, and so this looks good compared to what yesterday looks like or looked like. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pack up some of these paintings. I already took some home, and it's like some canvases that have never been touched, so I'm gonna go ahead and put those in that bag, and hopefully it'll help carry them. I think the paint already left, so it's just like some of the canvases that have to go. Marlon, you gotta get up, baby. I know, but we gotta pack.
I'm tired.
Marlon, it's 11 o'clock.
I'm tired of moving.
I know, baby, but we gotta get this done. We're on time limit. Snap, snap. Marlon's been such a big help. She's taken down her lights and everything off of the wall that she can reach, so that I don't have to come in and do those things. I can just worry about the big stuff. And so whenever we do move into the house, she'll be able to know where all her things are because she packed it all herself. And she's been helping me sweep too, so I really am appreciative to her help. Okay, just about everything is out of here now, and we'll just like go through in a little bit, but basically empty. So this is basically the last parts of the things that I'm moving out. I have this house that was in Marla's room, like she puts her bins and stuff on top of this, my 2 bar stools, and this mirror. So this is stuff that I couldn't put in my car. I'm about to try to actively force these 2 bar stools in my back seat. So we'll see how that goes.